We have a story that we tell ourselves. It's a narrative. And if we are in a sort of fixed mindset and we think, these are my traumas, this is my background, I can't change, then you will adopt sort of a victim mentality. But as I started working with clients, we realized you can change the narrative. You may not be able to change what happened in the past, but you can change the meaning that you may have made that wasn't empowering at age 3. You can change that. And that's where the power comes from.
We need to have a much deeper understanding of the narratives that are driving the both the positive and negative kind of momentum in human culture. And so really understanding the force and the power of narrative, but also the malleability of narrative, and that we can change it. And we can also have experiences free of narrative.